Good morning, good evening, good night. Whenever you guys are watching this channel, first subscribe. I'm going to show you a project me and my wife are going to be working on next year if God's willing. But we were going to do it in 2021, but the price of lumber and housing just skyrocketed. Land it's like $25 to $35,000 per acre. It's like everything doubled. So we decided to put it off into next year. But I'm going to show you where we live right now. And we've been living here since 2004 for about 17 years. And we wanted to stay in a neighborhood to where our kids could have go to good schools. And I think we did a pretty good job. Our daughter, she graduated. My son graduated. My daughter got her master's degree. My son is working on his degree. So my daughter's 28. My son is 22. And we decided, hey, we're going to downgrade a little bit. And here go what we're going to come up with. We had this drawing right here drawn for us about 4 or 5 months ago. And this is what we want. We want to get on about maybe between 5-10 acres, maybe up to 20 acres if we can. And this is a design my wife, she come up with this. It's a Barndominium. And you see there on the left we got a garage. The garage is bigger than the house. So I need somewhere to store my food truck and my trailer and my trucks. And I'm gonna have a garden in the back. We're gonna have solar. And I noticed that myself, I actually have to see things, visualize things, and it motivates me, because if I don't write it down, I probably won't get it done. But we paid money to get this done, and I think it came out pretty good. We may change up a few little things. I know my wife, she probably gonna want to add a pool in the back. And like I said, I'm gonna have me a garden in the back, because it's time to step out. You see my other house, we right next door to our neighbors, and you don't have no privacy. And this right here, sitting on your own land, and you got space. If you want to go out in the back and do what you want, is you want to hunt, and this is my dream right here. So in 2022, this is what we're going to be working on. We would like for you guys to follow us through this journey. The purchasing of the land, the clearing of the land, the getting the Barndominium built, getting the garage built, and so forth. We're going to document this step by step. So we're hoping to have it done in 2022, but you know how that is. We're going to have to go with the flow. So between 2022 and 2023, we will have this done. All right, again, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.